Hey there, welcome to Craftility. In this video, you will learn 5 different types of paper quilling bookmarks. So we'll start with paper quilling turtle. For this, I am using 6 green quilling strips of 3 mm to create a loose coil. One strip is of 17 inches, so total length of strips would be 102 inches. Now we'll create a tight coil using one full strip of 17 inches. If you are new here, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and click bell icon to get notifications of latest videos. Now take 7 inches of green strip and create a small teardrop shape. Now create a tight coil using 2 strips. Each strip is of 17 inches. Now all the shapes are ready, so take a stick and start gluing all the shapes on it. If you like my video, then please give a thumbs up. So thus, our first bookmark is ready. Paper quilling fish. For this, I am using 2 orange strips. Glue both the strips together and create a loose coil. Hold the coil and pinch it from both sides to create eye-like shape. Similarly, we'll create small eye-like shape using 6 inches of strip. You can check out Quilling playlist, in which you will find tutorials of many different types of quilling projects. Create 3 more such shapes. Now take a stick and glue all the shapes on it. So thus, paper quilling fish bookmark is ready. Paper quilling pig. Take 7 strips of light pink color and create a tight coil. If you are new here, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and click bell icon to get notifications of latest videos. If the coil is uneven, you can roll it with the handle of your quilling tool or any round object to make it even. Now take 7 inches of light pink and 7 inches of dark pink quilling strip and glue both the strips together and create a tight teardrop shape. Now take 17 inches of dark pink color and create a tight coil. Thus, all the shapes for pig is ready. Now take a stick and glue all the shapes on it. So thus, paper quilling pig bookmark is ready. Paper quilling owl. For this, take 7 strips of purple color and create a tight coil. Now we'll create a teardrop shape using 1 strip of purple color. If you like my video, then please give a thumbs up. Now take 7 inches of purple strip and create a S-like shape. Create one more such shape. Take 7 inches of black, white and purple strip to create a tight coil. Start rolling it from black color, followed with white and purple. Create one more such shape. Now take this stick and glue all the shapes on it. Now take 4 inches of purple strip and create small teardrop shape. Take 4 inches of yellow strip and create small eye-like shape. Find more fun and easy DIY bookmarks in Bookmark playlist. Create one more such shape. And thus paper owl is ready. Now take 4 strips of brown and 3 strips of yellow color and create a tight coil. If you are new here, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and click bell icon to get notifications of latest videos. Now take 21 inches of green strip and create a tight coil. Similarly, create more tight coils of different sizes using 17, 14, 10, 9, 8 and 5 inches of quilling strip. Take 4 inches of white and 2 inches of black color and create a tight coil. Start rolling it from black strip, as I want black in the center of a coil. Create one more such shape. Now all the shapes are ready, it's time to stick them together. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in next video. Till then, happy quilling!